Today will be the first fix. Let's get it. I'm gonna need the light over here. What is the first fix of today? Oops. Is actually right here. I'm just gonna touch up the paint a little bit because it was scratched in the process when the thief tried to steal it. So let's get it done. I'll just clean up the surface first with a little bit of multi-purpose surface cleaner. Wipe. Let's see if there's any on this side or not. Yeah, I think some on this side as well. I think I'll do the other side first, or maybe I'll do this side first. Shiba.
A few moments later.
I got this touch of paint, golden blaze green. This is part 1, the base coat. I don't know if it will be color match perfectly or not, or most likely not gonna be color match, but because it's not in a very visible part of the bike, so I guess I'll try my best. This is the base coat, and later on we will apply the top coat, the clear coat. Let's see how it goes.
A few moments later.
I'm not sure if you can see or not, but this is the first coat. Seems a little bit ugly, but there's no choice. Hopefully after the second coat, the clear coat, it will be much better. On to the next day. Today is the paint retouch part 2. So this is supposed to be the top coat. So let's see how the result is after applying the top coat. Hopefully it is much better looking than before. I'll film again after the touch-up is done. So see you later.
One eternity later.
I did also get this clear lacquer top coat from the same seller or supplier from eBay. So after applying some base and top coat on the chipped or scratches I had on the frame, I applied 2 more layers of top coat, the lacquer coat. Looks fine without the flash, and Oops, let's see if I'll be able to try to switch on the flash probably, and hopefully you can see better the end result. Hold on. As you can see, it's never gonna be perfect, but yeah, I will say I try my best. And yeah, that's what it looks like right now. I'm not exactly satisfied, but not bad enough. Good enough, right? That's all for today's video, and thank you guys for watching. On the next update, we will finally have some installation going on, so hopefully you will tune in 2 weeks later on Sunday. And if you like today's content, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.